Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. So in this video, we're going to take a look at a backpack that was sent out to me. Now I do like the piping on here, which is really nice. It kind of has that, light reflective material, and it has it also on the little zipper tabs as well. Now this comes with a bunch of separators, nice padding here on the back, for ventilation. I like the shoulder straps. It also has the cross belt, so that way you can better secure this when you're wearing it. Yeah, really nice. Has the little rubberized feet underneath here. That's going to protect it when it's sitting down on things. As we go out into the wild, we'll be out on rocks and woods and things like that to be able to set this down. A lot of pockets on this guy, which is also really nice. So I'm going to show you guys how I would configure this backpack for like everyday use. Now, for the most part, a backpack like this would be something that I would use for my drones or for, photography projects, maybe even some video projects. So as you can see here, it's kind of compressed. It comes that way when you first get it because they provide you with all of these inserts that you'll have to put in yourself. Now, these are very, easy to install. You're just going to press those in wherever you need them to be. All right, so let's get to the configuration of this backpack, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when we fill it with some of the items that I would normally carry with me. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so let's walk through a few of these accessory areas. So as you guys can see, we have a really large pocket here. This is going to be great for any type of storage. You guys can see how deep that pocket goes down into the backpack. We also have an additional pocket right behind it. So we can open that up again with the double zippers. Inside again, we have additional storage with a zipper component here. We have a key fob on here as well. We have these individual pockets, which is really nice. I do love any backpacks or any accessories like this that have double zippers. Right here at the top, you guys can see we have another little pouch. This pouch is going to be for quick accessible things. It does come with the US flag if you want to mount it on here. And then right here, we have another inner pocket, as you guys can see. That's going to be great for additional storage. And then here inside, so this is going to be great for clothing, for additional accessories, day trip things. You have two zipper components here, and you have another zippered component right here that opens up. Let me show you guys that. So you have a lot of storage within this section of the backpack. So you could put, a clothing or something like that for a day trip, paperwork, whatever the case it is that you need to be able to travel with. All right, so we have our largest section here. Take note of the little handle that's here on the top. And we can open this section up as well. As you guys can see, this is going to be great for like a laptop or a tablet. This will probably support up to a 15-inch laptop with no problem. And you have the little restraint here as well. That's really nice. Again, like I mentioned before, it has this really nice padding for breathing mesh. Now on the back, there's also an additional section here for storage. And that's going to be, kind of like a private section back here because the only way you'll be able to access this is when you have the backpack off. All right, so let's put our inserts into this and I'll show you guys what that looks like once we have them all inside. All right, guys, as you can see, this is kind of my normal running gun. I would have, accessibility for my batteries, for my controller, and I can better, position these. I just want you guys to get a quick idea. I have my drone here as well. My XR glasses can fit right in this backpack as well. So it just depends on how you want to set everything up. Of course, you have the ability to now zip all of these different panels like so. Everything is good in here. And once this backpack is completely closed, you'll still have quick access to your camera. So if you want to take the camera out for, some reason, for a quick photo shoot or a quick shot or whatever it is, you just got to position it in there. So as you guys can see, with not much effort, I could pull this camera out, even if I had the backpack on. So having you know, the functionality of a backpack like this, I think it's going to be great. Again, you can drop your laptop, your tablets, whatever it is, right into this guy. This is going to be a really nice travel-friendly backpack. So if you guys are looking for a high-quality backpack, feels really nice. It's got that water wicking material. So this is water resistant. You have these little keepers here at the bottom that you could use for a tripod. So pretty much everything that you need, guys. This is going to make it really compact. If you're like me, going out doing, you know, drone jobs, photography, videography, whatever the case it might be, this is going to be a win. And on top of all of the other things, it comes with this little pouch here that you could use for an additional lens, and that's going to fit right inside of the bag as well. And you have this really nice rain cover that comes with it as well. So definitely take a look at this backpack, guys. If you guys have any questions about it, hopefully they've been answered in this video. So yeah, I think this guy's a win. All right, guys, this has been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.